animation videos. I have been getting quite a few requests for animation videos lately, and I am about to start a pleasant process. That's why we are here today, and we are going to some work to go over some of the basics. I think the tutorial will be very useful for animation beginners. I will show the narrations and animations moments in the simplest form. I will go over the basic of animation in Photoshop and how it can benefit you to know the interface of Photoshop on this subject. So I will train you to learn the program. Don't forget to follow, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.